based on Android 11, but as you can see, my device is not rooted right now. Next thing we need to do is you need to go to the link of Magisk, which is linked in the description of this video. And yes, I do note that the colors are washed out on this ROM right now. But once you are on this page, you need to go to the downloads section. Here you have different options. We are going to tap on Magisk.
For non-commercial use.
Wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on enough to let me pass, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shape my smile. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass.